What's the meaning of contritely? Contritely. Contritely.
Contritely. Contritely. Contritely is an adverb that describes someone who is feeling and expressing sincere remorse or guilt for their actions. When someone behaves contritely, they may apologize for their behavior, admit their mistakes, and make efforts to repair any damage they may have caused. This can help to mend relationships and prevent further harm. It is important for people to act contritely when they have made mistakes, as it demonstrates humility and a willingness to take responsibility for one's actions. Ultimately, behaving contritely can lead to forgiveness and healing.